Hey everyone, we're back with the Eibach recap. This week we got started by working on the Polaris RZR PRO R Sport with the Walker Evans shocks. We did the usual testing program, which starts with testing its stock, evaluating the ride quality, and making the predicted changes. These changes can be anything from spring rates, adjusting the crossover rings, and adjusting the ride height. After making the changes, we go for another test drive, fine-tune, and make any necessary changes. For this vehicle, once we completed our stage 2 and 3 kit, we moved on to testing a possible new product line for our UTVs. More on that later. Fresh from the lot, we brought in a BMW M2 for initial measurements. For this vehicle, we focused on developing our Pro Kit and anti-roll bars. Luckily, we were able to create prototypes in order to test and make adjustments on the Pro Kit lowering heights. We have more development updates in the future. If you haven't seen it yet, we've been building a 2023 Colorado ZR2 in the background. We got started by installing a test set of our Pro Lift Kit, which allows us to retain the factory multi-matic shocks. And after that, we installed method wheels wrapped on a set of Toyo tires. To modify the ZR2 a bit more, our friends from MagnaFlow helped us out with their Overland Series catback exhaust system. And here's how it sounds. Last, if you're an engineer and are looking for a job, we're looking to hire a design engineer. This position takes place at our facility in Corona, California, so if you're interested, please visit our website at eibach.com/careers. And that's it for this week's recap. Be sure to give us a like and subscribe for more.